Hey guys, how are you? Vladimir here, and welcome to our major upgrade for the Forex B Pro version. The most recent release is the 222 version, and as you can see the date here also, right? It's right at the end of February, beginning of March 2023, and there are a lot of great things we included here. Okay, but before I go there and start talking about all the new amazing features we added as upon to your request, I want first of all to explain what's new here. So we cleaned a lot of the code and the communication with the servers, so everything works much more fluent and smooth between the servers, which brings the data to the Forex B, the authentication and the communication with the users, and for you with the reliability of the system. Then very important thing here to mention, all the new the Forex Pro and all the rest of the systems and everything would be now under the head of Home Trader Club. What does that mean for you? The important thing here is now there are no separate websites or anything. We have everything under one hat and in one place. So you will get access to the Home Trader Club, the level of client. Client means a member who has access to the systems, not a member of Home Trader Club. If you are already a member of Home Trader Club, then you will just get a license for the Forex B, okay? And you can use that exactly with the same credentials you have to Home Trader Club to use it for the Forex B and or the other systems you will get. So this is very, very important. Under the profile, you will be able to find access to and see, of course, your subscriptions, your system, and everything you have, and get the access to that directly. So when you go inside the members area under the professional trading system, go to the Forex Pro MT4 or MT5, depends what you got. MT5 is the new release. This is the first time we release for MT5 on this version, and it's very important to say MT4 and MT5 would be absolutely the same. The whole logic of the system is the shared and mutual for the MT4 and MT5. I will be recording this video and other videos in MT4 or MT5 just for not to duplicate the same. Okay, it's all absolutely the same. The only thing that will be changing is your license. Depends on what you purchase, the Forex B Pro MT4 or MT5. That's the license you will get. Okay, very important thing. And another important thing, if you purchase MT4, you do not get access by 25. If you get purchased only MT5, you do not get access to MT4. So it's really up to you to decide what works for you best. Okay. So this is where you go and download everything, okay, including the Telegram group, of course, and that's where we download installer, user manual, and the installation guide. Please keep in mind that's where all the previous videos we have, how to install, know your B Pro, the trading rules, the scanner, advanced tip, all remains absolutely the same. The additional features we added I will include now in this very video. So in order for not to re-record everything, because the strategy remains absolutely the same. We did not change and touch the strategy. We added the features that our members asked for, and again cleaned dramatically all the code and communication between the servers and the system for the sense of everyone, us and you guys. So this is as per the installation. Now I want to go over the system and show all the additional part. Okay, so again you can see here that's the MT5 version. Let me just close that, needed. That's the MT5 version. Okay, you can see here it works absolutely the same like the MT4. with the scanner and with the trading center of the Forex Triple B Pro. Okay, so I go again to MT4 just for the convenience, but it's all the same. So let's start with the scanner. When you go to the scanner, when you install everything and you plug the scanner on your screen, you get your access to the settings. Okay, let me just show it to you. So inside the settings, make sure you have the DLL allowed. Then you go to the inputs. And the authentication is what you have to use, exactly what you got to Home Trader Club. If you are Home Trader Club member and you purchased the Forex Triple B or got the license to Forex Triple B, then just use the same credentials you have to Home Trader Club. Why? Because everything now takes the communication directly from Home Trader Club. No separations anymore. Very easy and user-friendly. Make sure in the currencies you use with only comma without any space between the separation there. Choose the time frames you want to work with, and all the rest the same exactly. Then we go to the system. Keep in mind what could happen with the system due to the MT4 glitch you see here. This could take few seconds until it lines up and fixes. Okay, if for whatever the reason it remains black, it's solved easily just by switching that time frame. But it could take few seconds by the way that graphics is working on the MT4. And all the data it gets, it sends to all the indicators we have here and all the features we have here. So it could take a few seconds until it all lines up. Please keep that in mind. So what added here when we go to the expert advisor of the Forex Triple B Pro Trading Center, you will see that this version is 4.12. Okay, so it's different from the scanner, but the system different is always based on the scanner. Don't get that confused. Make sure you have the DLLs here as well. Now, keep in mind that this EA would not work without you applying the scanner first of all. Make sure you have the scanner. Okay. So what we added here is this part. Very important. I want to explain what it is about. So the main take profit, this is like it used to be. Let's say, for example, you go here for, actually that's not a good example because this is a bearish trend, so I want to make it bearish, okay? Let's say we got here a layered and we go sell based on the rules of the system by breaking the most recent low. Take profit, the main take profit is what we always had. Take profit 1, okay? Now we added take profit additional. What does that mean? You can set as you want to take profits. So let's say you risk sell, stop loss, and let's say you risk here X pips. Doesn't matter, 20, 30, 40. This could be also X, or 1.5X, or 2X, or 3X. You decide. How do you decide? By this ratio. So the first take profit, 1 to how much compared to the risk. So if your risk is, as I showed before, X, let's say you want this to be 1, for example. Okay, so just erase the 0.25 and put a 1 instead. That means your take profit will be here, X. If you put the take profit additional level 2, that means your take profit would be 2X, the additional take profit. As simple as that. If you by mistake confused that and you made the additional take profit smaller than the main, no worries, the system knows automatically to flip them for you. The take profit additional close part is what percentage of the trade you want to close on the second take profit, on the addition. Okay, as simple as that. You want 50%, you put 0.5. You want 70%, you put 0.7. You want 30%, you put 0.3. It's between 0 to 1. Another important thing we added here for you guys is the additional part of the moving average filters. This is what you see here. Many members ask to include the classical moving averages control for the system for extra trend verification. So we added this part, and you can see it is three time frames. The current one you work on and two higher ones. It will show you the direction of the moving averages that you ask for. You set it right here in the settings under the MA filters. Okay, you choose what will be the fast and the slow one. You can do 10, 20, 50, 100, 100, 200, whatever you want. And of course, the method of the moving averages. You have full control over that right now, and it could help you to extra filter the trending conditions you have. And the classical part we have here, additional for you guys, that's the basically show and hide of all these separate features we have. You can choose you don't want the moving average, false, voila, it's gone. You don't see it here. Okay, you go here, you want to see that. You don't want the pivots or the MACD, no problem. There is my pivots here. We don't want the pivots, and it's gone. MACD would be the only one that's taking place for you. Okay, instead of the instead of the pivots. Okay, MACD is the only one we did not add because once MACD got in, got out, it messes up with the graphic. So that's why the MACD will be there. Of course, you don't have to use it if you don't want to, but it's one of the indicators that you would not see here. The other thing, as always, remains here, the heat map. You can also remove that, add that for your comfort as you wish. Okay, guys? So that's the new version. That's the 222 with all the amazing feature we had included for you, with the clean code and communication all under one head for easy remember. You can save the settings, of course, that you have here. Save the EA settings if you would like. You can create your own template for the triple B based on the way you would like. Just make sure you don't end up on different indicators so they do not mess up with the system itself. Of course, the control over the panels, which one would you like to see, which not, the extra filter of the trend, everything is there for you. The take profits, the percentage of the take profits for easier and better management. For those of you who love riding trends with bigger targets, now you have it. So again, very important thing to summarize. This is the same for the MT4 and the MT5. Okay, if you go here, you would see absolutely, let me just access it for you. You would see the absolutely same features as on the MT4. Oh, properties, sorry, I said show, it's properties. So again, you will see here all the same, absolutely, okay? All the control and everything is exactly as on MT4. So I did not include, I will not record the same thing twice, as it doesn't make sense. It's all the same. I recorded for the comfort on MT4, but it will be the same for MT5 as well. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope you find it useful, you love it. Make sure to download the manual. It explains everything there for you as well, step by step, all the features, scanner and the system, everything we have there is explained inside. Take your time, read it, and I very much, honestly, recommend watching these videos, especially how to use the system properly and all the additional tips with the pivots that, it's essential part of the system. So that's pretty much it for this video. For any questions, if you have, you know where to reach me, and therefore you know our Forex Triple B group. Telegram. I'm right here. My team as well. You can, of course, contact my support team. And I hope you will enjoy this amazing upgrade and it works for you good. And I wish you a successful trading. Thanks for watching this video. All the very best. Bye for now.